Hi, I'm Andrea and I'm a peer support worker for the HeadsUp project. I really enjoy being a peer support worker. I think it's so important to help people with mental health issues such as anxiety and depression that are unemployed, want to get back and have hope. With a bit of support they can get back into work, education, volunteering. So we've had some really good positive outcomes on the project so far. I'd like to introduce you to Alistair, who's been a participant with me now for about four months.
Yeah.
You were really nervous on that first occasion when we met.
Yeah, so he sounds a bit strange, but my self-confidence was really quite low and sort of going out sort of into sort of lots of people, and it's made me more confident to go out now. And working with HeadsUp program has helped me no end with volunteering even now and helping out at a local farm, and it's boosted my self-confidence and self-belief in what I can do. It's been well worth doing, and the support is excellent.